Hello friends, welcome back to Hidden Gems by Shekhar. Today we are going to talk about Drishyam 2. This is the movie which is released in 2021 starring the legendary actor Mohanlal. This is the second franchisee of first movie Drishyam, and this movie continues with the first part. In first part, you know that the police couldn't find the boy's body, so they are unable to put a case against George Kutti and family. In second part, at first scene, you can see a guy named Jose. He is running from police because he has killed his brother-in-law, and he saw George Kutti at the same night when he was burying the body in police station, and when he was coming outside, having a shovel in his hand. So this Jose saw him. That's the first scene. Then it goes to the 8 to 10 years. Now George Kutti is very settled. That Jose guy is caught by police. Now the George is very settled and everything. He has a lot of money. The people who used to support him at first part, now they are jealous of him because he has a lot of money and everything. He's a theater owner, and people have started talking about how come he get away with the murder and all. His daughter might be the culprit and a lot of stuff. This starts because of jealousy. It's a natural thing. The Jose got released from prison after 7 8 years, and he is struggling with his life at one side. He has done murder. George Kutti has done murder, but George Kutti is living a precious life with a lot of privileges and everything. That's a very nice contrast as shown by the director and writer. Then story goes by, and somehow Jose tells the police about it, and police finds the body. And then the real movie begins, that how George Kutti, how or not George Kutti fights with this situation and come out of, does he come out of the situation or not? This is all about movie. This is very beautiful movie, I must say. I will not give you a lot of details because you'll must miss the fun of surprises and all. The climax is superb. That even Drishyam 1 is nothing to it. Nothing instead of in front of him. And it's very brilliant. I wasn't expecting that this will happen. You should watch it. It's a really beautiful thing. And I think the hero of this movie is actually the writer who has written such a beautiful script and beautiful story, and it keeps you stuck at the screen, and it involves you with the movie. And one thing I would really love to share, I would really like to share about uh, Mohanlal sir, that he's a brilliant actor. There is one dialogue, I have written it here, when he is talking to his wife and he says, I have never done anything which my mind has said no to. That the wife is asking that where you buried the body, and at that time he said, I have never done anything which my mind has said no to. I think this dialogue summarizes whole movie, not only movie, but this dialogue summarizes Mohanlal's character in real life. I always admire him because he has so control in his mind and thoughts and action, everything. You will feel like, guy, man, this guy is so confident. He is so controlled. He's not like कुछ भी कर रहा है ऐसा. No, he is so controlled. Yeah. I really admire his thing. And same, you can see the whole movie is based on that. That he's not allowing his mind, allowing himself to go against his mind. He has a control. He has a plan. He has thought about next 4 to 5 years. He's continuously thinking about the next position, what will be his next action and everything. It's a very interesting movie. I recommend everyone to watch this movie. And it's a very beautiful piece, and I am very happy that I watched it. So, guys, please watch it and tell me how you feel about the movie. So, goodbye.